Hey guys, so I decided to upgrade my balloon pump. I've been using this blue one since the beginning and I thought it was time for an upgrade. We don't have a legenda yet, but we'll be getting one very soon. I just wanted a main pump that was a little bit better than what I was using. So it has this dial that you can use to adjust the strength of the airflow. And then I also like that you can use both nozzles to start the airflow, so not just the one on the right. And then my favorite part about this balloon pump is this switch right here that activates the timer. So that is perfect for if you need your balloons to be at the exact same size. Now for me personally, I'm gonna love using this with my 5-inch balloons that I like to blow up to 3 inches, and I was using a balloon sizer up until this point, so I'm definitely going to be putting that timer to good use. Now this balloon pump does not blow up double stuffed 5-inch balloons, so that was a bit of a bummer, but I'm getting the legenda soon enough anyway, so I'm not even really bothered by that. And then honestly, I only double stuff when my client asks for a specific color that I cannot achieve otherwise. So until I get my legenda, I will just be doing those few bookings with a hand pump. I just wanted to share this purchase with you guys. If you are interested in this pump, I will leave a link in my bio. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I hope that helps.